Good day and welcome to the McConnell Equities Stock Trading Show. I, of course, am your host, Christopher McConnell, and let's get right into this week's show. So first off, we'll start with a review of the previous two videos and our stock picks from those weeks and see how we did. And then we'll get straight into providing you with this week's hot stock pick of the week. So let's not waste any more time. Going back a couple of weeks, we entered into, let's just firstly say this is for education and entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, but I do like talking about stocks, and we like to discuss them here on the show. So if we look back at a couple of weeks ago, we went into the REMX, which was the VanEck Rare Earths and Strategic Metals ETF. We opened our position last Monday, or if you did open a position 2 Mondays ago, pardon me, we, in this area right here, we found ourselves with a really nice profit, 15.5%, if you were to have entered in when the video came out from McConnell Equities. So that's really nice, and it's still continuing to look well. We have some gap ups here and gap up yet again. So that's on the daily chart, and the weekly chart looks all nothing but green candles. So let's hopefully that keeps going, and anyone who did look at REMX is having a profitable week. Last week we spoke about Alibaba, the Chinese e-commerce giant. Not as successful as of yet. The video only came out last Wednesday, so we are in the negative by 2.06%. But if you look at the candles here, we see some ranging action, which can be a very nice sign, and hopefully it is just coiling like a spring, ready to take off into the stratosphere. That being said, we will keep our eyes on Alibaba and report back next week, hopefully having a bullish week, which all the markets are pointing in that direction. Having said that, today we will look at our next stock pick of the week, which I am pleased to provide you. We are going with Celldex Therapeutics. So Celldex is trading under the ticker CLDX on the NASDAQ exchange. This company specializes in the development of therapeutic antibodies, dealing mostly with allergies. So they have one main drug that they're using to attack a bunch of different things. Mast cell is one of the biggest ones, and a few other allergies that I'm not familiar with. I'll try to say the name of the drug here for you. Barzolvolimab is the one that we're all hanging our hats on here. And yeah, so recently had some good positive news from that. Always need to be exercise caution with biopharmaceutical companies, as regulatory and product efficacy, FDA approvals, have a very strong influence on stock price. But saying that, this company has been in business for quite a while and has been trading on the NASDAQ since 2008 and has shown a fair bit of resilience in that time. Back in 2013, they were trading well above $500 per share, which, as you would know at that time, was probably about $3,000 of our money now. But currently, stock trading at $23.35. So looking up after a little bit of a downswing since about November of last year, ranging downward, but things are starting to look up, and the stock has hit some key technical indicators, hopefully showing a reversal to the upside. Like I said, do exercise caution with these biopharma companies as they can be very volatile. But these guys seem to have been around the block a few times and seem to know what they're doing. And with a bit of luck, might see some real nice gains out of this one. Like I said, technical indicators are looking up. And hopefully we start to see some increased volume and potentially some institutional buy-in with this stock. That's our stock pick of the week. Celldex Therapeutics, CLDX on the NASDAQ. Have a look at it yourself. Do your own research. Entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you for watching the show. Please tune in again next week. Like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I look forward to hearing from you. All right. Thanks very much, and happy trading.